What's good, guys? It is Wavy Spice here, coming at you another video. Today I'm going to be doing like a super colorful glam type look, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this. I'm doing a little bit different with like voiceover style. Of course, don't forget to subscribe, join the Spice gang, and become a Spice girl. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell and follow me on Instagram. All right, so I'm starting out with my Jackie Aina palette. Gonna use Ginger as a transition shade. And I'm just using a fluffy eyeshadow brush. As you can see, I put some tape on as well, just to make it a really sharp look. I wanted to go for something very sharp and dramatic. And now I'm gonna pop into my Francation palette. The color is called A Moment. And it's just like a really deep, glittery blue. And I'm going in first with a super fluffy brush, just to place the color in and make it not look too harsh, especially on those edges. And of course, I'm going back in with the transition shade just to pretty much blend out the harsh edge. Now I'm going in with this aquamarine color out of the Juvia's Place Zoo palette. And same deal here, I'm just putting it on with a fluffy brush, just so that it doesn't look so harsh on the edges. And I went back in with the transition shade Ginger just to kind of smooth everything out. I use a more detailed eyeshadow brush there. Now I'm going in and intensifying the color. So I sprayed my brush with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and went in and intensified the color. As you can see, it really popped. And I did the same thing with the light blue color just to make it pop even more. Now I'm about to go in and do my inner corner highlight with the James Charles Ring Light shade. I'm using a tiny little defining brush. And the eye look is complete. Now I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm just using my Juvia's Place foundation. Clearly like my favorite foundation lately.
Here we go.
Just blending it out. Make sure to get it into my wig as well. Now I'm putting it on my Juvia's Place concealer. Blending out my concealer with a sponge. And I'm going in and setting everything with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. And now I'm doing my under eye portion with the same defining brush that I use in my inner corner. I'm using the same exact colors that I use on my lid, starting with the deep blue and then going in with the turquoise shade. As you can see, this is really pigmented. I'm gonna go ahead and use some mascara. And I am contouring with the Black Radiance Deep Dark Contour palette. And I did do some eye gems. I could not get those on camera. I was out of the frame the entire time. But I just used craft gems and put it on with eyeliner. And yeah, I just got those from Walmart out of the craft section. And I'm going ahead and highlighting with Wet n Wild Crown My Canopy. And I already put my lip liner, it's BFF4 of course, and then I'm going in with my Kim K X Kylie lips. And I forgot how pretty these nudes are. So yeah guys, I'm about to set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray of course, and use my little fan to get it all dry. Ooh, look at that color from the side, it's so pretty. And then this is the finished look guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, turn on your notification bell so you can know when I post new videos, and follow me on Instagram and on my other social. I'll have it linked below. Bye guys.